back to the vlog. It's so pretty out today. Oh, today is Friday. I woke up a little bit later than I normally do. I was just kind of scrolling on TikTok for a while. Don't recommend doing that when you have shit to do. But it is 8:40 right now. I thought I would start the vlog. Something about starting vlogs on Fridays just feels good to me, so that's what we're doing. But if you are new to my channel, y'all already know the drill. Please subscribe, join the fam. And wow, look at that morning light. Ugh, I love my apartment in the morning. It honestly just makes me so happy. Okay, so what I normally like to do is I like to clean before I go to bed so that I wake up to a nice and refreshed and beautiful clean home. But clearly that's not the case this time. My home is a absolute disaster, like complete and utter disaster. So I'm gonna be cleaning this morning. Also super random, but how gorgeous are these flowers? How gorgeous are these flowers? Rare Beauty sent this over. I'm pretty sure it was them. It was just kind of like on my doorstep with another Rare Beauty package, so I'm assuming it's Rare Beauty. But yeah, I have quite an exciting day today because there's an event with Rare Beauty and we're cooking something super random, like so obviously I've had an obsession with matcha this year so far, and we're literally making matcha chocolate chip cookies. Like, something about matcha just keeps following me around and I'm not mad at it. So speaking of matcha, I'm actually gonna make one right now so that I can have some energy. I mean, I'm pretty like energized right now. I'm feeling good. But I start every single day with matcha. I don't think I've missed a day. I've literally had matcha every single day since like mid-January. I would say since the beginning, but when I went on my little trip, I went to Dallas. I don't think I ever mentioned that on a vlog, but I did go to Dallas for like 5-ish days to visit a friend. I didn't have matcha every single day there, but I have had it here and I'm loving it. So I'll share my recipe with you guys, or honestly it's on my Instagram as well. I feel like I share my matcha literally every single day. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on cleaning. I also, so it's not just my living room, unfortunately. It's also my office, which I still haven't really done anything to this place. I really have to like figure out what I want to even like make this office look like, but there's all of that as well. So it's just gonna be a cleaning morning. It's just gonna be one of those mornings. So let's do it. I did it, y'all. She's clean. I cleaned everything and it's looking so much better now. So this is the package from Rare Beauty. We're gonna be baking, as I told you guys. So we're gonna be baking with Candice Kumai. And I'm just gonna lay out all the ingredients now, I guess, because it's happening very soon, in less than an hour. So I'm gonna put on some makeup real quick. And then I already dug into the chocolate chip cookies because duh. A lot of interesting ingredients in here. And then now I have this bag for grocery shopping. How cute. But yeah, I'm gonna put on some makeup real quick and then we'll get to baking and everything. So yeah, it's just so nice having like a super clean apartment now. Oh, I love it. Making the cookies now on the live with Rare Beauty, as you can see, and hopefully this goes well. But I think these are like semi-healthy. Happened since the last clip. So I obviously sort of did my makeup, although I didn't end up finishing it before I had to go with the Rare Beauty event, go on to the Rare Beauty event. But I did finish cooking the little matcha cookies and they turned out so good. How cute these are. So these are vegan matcha cookies. Let me bring them into the light so you can see them a little bit better. Look how cute though. they couriered over, I think I showed you guys, but they couriered over like all of the ingredients and stuff, and it was really easy to make. It took me like she was explaining it and everything, but I had a meeting right after, so I was like kind of doing it all myself. And it took me like 10 minutes to mix all together, and then it took like another 12 minutes to cook. So it was done like within less than 30 minutes, and they taste so good. I already had one when it was like piping hot. So I'm excited to try them when they're a little bit cooler, but little matcha cookies, how cute. They also sent over these little like heart cookies, or these little heart sprinkles for Valentine's Day to put them on top, but look how good that looks. If you guys want the recipe, I will put it right here. Screenshot, hopefully you can see that. And it was the same one that Selena Gomez made on her like cooking show. That's why they got so popular. But anyways, I'm almost done with my work day. I was working till like 10:30 p.m. last night, so I finished a lot of what I had to do. But I just have some like emails and stuff to catch up on. I don't think I've answered like 50% of my emails this entire week just because I've been so busy. So I'm gonna do a little bit more work just on the table over here. I had a little meeting with Glow Recipe. As you guys know, I'm part of their Diversity Inclusivity Board, so we meet a couple times per quarter, and they have some exciting product launches that I get to like test out and stuff before they launch. And we just kind of like share our insights on what they could improve on like future products, how to go about influencer campaigns to make sure that it's super inclusive. So if you guys saw their last launch, which was the Dewdrops, like they tapped into a lot of very diverse women of color. Like I think they worked with like Jackie Aina, Nima Tang, a lot of other amazing like POC influencers. So I was really happy to see that they like actually are taking all of our advice and suggestions and stuff and making their brand truly just like well-rounded. So I love that brand and I love meeting with them, and it's a good time. But anyways, I am going to finish up the rest of my work, and then I will see you guys a little bit later. I don't really know what I'm doing tonight, but I'm kind of in the social mood. Like I kind of want to like hang out with someone, so I might hit up a friend and hang out with them, but we'll see. Morning guys, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. The last time I vlogged was Friday. I apologize. I think after that initial, first segment of the vlog, I ended up hanging out with some of my girlfriends, and then we came over here and had like dinner. So I think I took like one little clip of that, but then all of yesterday I didn't really vlog anything. But I drove up to Orange County, or down I guess, and hung out with them again, and we just had like a bonfire, little like Galentine's Day like night. It was really cute. But today is actually Valentine's Day, and I'm not really doing much. I'm actually about to go do a workout, so I thought that I'd bring you guys along, because I just want to show you guys what I've been doing lately. So I'm just gonna go up to my rooftop, and then I think later on I'm actually gonna be hanging out with Sija and her family, so that should be really fun. But yeah, I'm feeling good. It's gonna be a good week. And I think there's a long weekend actually tomorrow, so I might actually, I don't know, I have some like things to film as well, so I'm gonna see if I can get that in. But it's already pretty late. I woke up at like 9:30, which is way later than I normally do, but right now it's already 11. I just had my matcha, so I'm gonna have some good energy for this workout. So let me just bring you guys upstairs. I'm really hoping no one's on the rooftop, so no one like stares at me, but I'm not gonna do anything like crazy. I think I'm just gonna do like 10 to 15 minutes of jump rope, and then I have my kettlebell, which I don't think I ever showed you guys that I got a kettlebell, but I did. I ordered it from Dick's Sporting Goods, and I'll probably just do like 10 to 15 minutes of the kettlebell. So in total, it'll be like 25 to 30 minutes. Oh, let me show you my outfit first. It's all from Fabletics, of course. But I've been loving this shirt. I think this is the same style. Oh no, it's a little bit different than the other one that I had, but I just have been loving all of these styles that they're coming out with, because they're like longer, they're definitely more modest. It's basically like a dress, but this one actually has a hood. The other one that I have is like a mock neck, which I guess I prefer the mock neck, but I don't mind the hood either. And then I just paired it up with the Power Hold leggings. But I just feel like this is like such a perfect workout top. So I wanted to share that with you guys. Hopefully it's not sold out yet, but I will try linking it below. And then I got the new Nike hijab. I can't remember if I showed that in a vlog, but it's the Nike 2.0. This one is so much more comfortable than the original one. Like, I don't know why it took me this long to get it, but it has like a paneling here that like just makes it very comfortable. It's not like, it doesn't like push out your face like the other one did. And it's just, I don't know, it's just so much better. So this is what it looks like, and I'm liking it, so let's go work out.
If the hair on your neck don't stand up, did I do it right? And if my phone don't buzz when the morning comes, did you spend the night? But I'm
back from my workout, looking very sweaty, very glowy. But that was actually perfect. It was like exactly 30 minutes. I am exhausted. I can barely hold this camera up right now. But basically I did like 7 minutes of straight skipping. Oh my God, I literally can't hold this up right now. Whew, okay, there we go. I did 7 minutes of straight skipping, and then I did an on-off circuit with the kettlebell. The kettlebell is 20 pounds, by the way, so you get a really good workout with kettlebells. So if you guys can find any in stock in your area, I would recommend that, especially if like gyms are closed and stuff. My gym is still closed in the building, so that's why I have that. But yeah, I just did like 3 separate like workouts, I guess, with the kettlebell. And in between each like 3 set, if I'm making any sense, in between each set, I did like 2 minutes of jumping, and then I'd go back and do the set. So I just basically did that back and forth until I was exhausted, which was like about 30 minutes total. And then I ended it off with just some light skipping to get my heart rate down, did some stretches, and that is it. So got a nice quick workout. And the great thing about skipping and even kettlebell swings is that you actually burn a lot of calories even when you're not doing, like, it doesn't feel like you're doing it for a long time, but it's like a high intensity workout, so you're burning a lot of calories really quickly. So love that. Very easy equipment too. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower because I feel sweaty and gross, but that was really nice. I am checking in on Monday. I didn't realize today was a long weekend, but it is. So I didn't really do much work, but right now, sorry, the lighting's kind of weird. I am at, I don't really know what beach this is, but it's like right in between Malibu and Santa Monica Beach. So I just came here because I felt like having a little beach day. So, or not beach day, but just kind of like watching the sunset, getting my steps in by the ocean, and just enjoying some nature instead of just being cooped up in the house. So yeah, enjoy this little beach day with me. This is a very random day, but I'm here with my girl. Come here. Fatima! Hey! She's been staying with me for the past couple days.
Yes.
And today, listen, we're going all out, okay? We're making a charcuterie board.
Charcuterie.
It's actually called a charcuterie board. But we went around, we literally went around.
I know, we hunted.
We hunted for all of this stuff.
So worth it.
Yeah, okay, let's do Trader Joe's first. We wanted to order from our friend Crystal. She has like her own charcuterie board business in LA. I'll link it down below. I think it's like Charcuterie by Chris or something. But yeah, we just basically, I just like looked off based on like what she normally does. So I would want to support her, but like we wanted it today, and obviously it takes some time to make it. So we're just gonna make it ourselves. So we got these brioche toasts.
Those are actually my favorite.
Really?
I think, yeah.
Oh
even though they were kind of hard, I still like them.
Yeah, and then I don't know what these. I think these are gluten free if we want to be healthy.
Mm-hmm.
While we eat dairy and all this.
Right.
Stuff. Some pistachios.
Yes.
Oh, this is like so good.
I never had that.
Well, remember how she had like there was like another one on that board last time.
I don't think I ate it.
You didn't? This was my favorite.
Yeah,
it's
I don't
so
think I
good.
ate that one.
It's really good, but it's like fruit and whatever crisp. And then we got some brie cheese. We got some goat cheese wrapped in berries.
I'm pumped for that one.
We got some Greek olive medley. what's it called?
Olives.
Olives. Some soft and juicy mango, dried mango. Guys, we're going all out.
All out.
Just for 2 of us.
I know. It don't matter because we're gonna be binge watching Netflix anyway.
Exactly. What was the show? Explain.
Behind Her Eyes.
Behind Her Eyes. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna be watching that.
I think everyone probably already like watched it by now,
except for me.
We're like the last ones.
Yeah.
I feel like.
Yeah.
Watching it, but yeah.
I got some sharp cheddar cheese. This is like one of my favorite candies from Trader Joe's. It's like their sea salt butterscotch caramels. We just thought like, I don't know. I got a cucumber.
I like. You have tahini.
I do. I dip it. So we have a cucumber just for some #health. We just got some fruit from the farmer's market at the Grove. So we just got some green and some red and green grapes. I've actually never tried this one, but I feel like it's gonna be fire. Flaming hot white cheddar.
It tastes just like the other one. Yeah, okay, but I feel like a little bit like lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm excited. And then
hot Cheetos.
And then we went to the kosher market.
Yeah, okay, let's put y'all on.
Yes,
let's put y'all on.
This is so good. It's like the beef salami, but you just go to your kosher market and they have hella. Because I feel like it's hard to find like halal or like like halal like deli meats and stuff like that. But like the kosher market came
and it
through.
smells so good. You can literally smell it out of the little container.
Right now.
Yeah, let's try it.
Is it good? Is it spicy? Or is it just like
spicy?
Yeah.
Like, exactly.
There's a good texture too with the cracker and the cheese.
Oh. That's gonna smack.
It's so good. We got some turkey pastrami, and then we got some baklava because it just looked good. This is looking cute.
Okay.
This is looking real cute. Oh my god, it actually looks good.
And we have no direction, just vibes.
Literally. You guys, this is looking so good.
Yeah, how does it look?
Oh my god, it looks fire on camera. Are you kidding me? Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
Are you dumb?
New York.
This is looking okay. And see all these like empty spots? We just gonna take some nuts. And we just gonna, oh wait, actually, I wanna put some jam first. We really did that. We really popped the hell off. Like we really popped the hell off. That looks so good. We kind of just freestyled it. Like
yeah, we were planning on doing a Pinterest mood board.
Exactly.
Look, but we were just like whatever.
We were just trying to fit everything into where it went.
And luckily you had this and this.
Exactly. Yeah, it did work out. It did work out.
Looked.
Yeah, but shout out to my girl Crystal who makes these in LA.
You inspired us.
You really inspired us.
And
okay.
we was not gonna wait.
Yeah, we were not gonna wait. Look.
We was hungry.
Oh my god. Oh my god! What?
Did that.
We are really just hyping ourselves up, but like well deserved.
We look like professionals.
We really do. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna enjoy this. Good night, guys. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.